Look at this, and it's their first time. Look, we're opening this door, look. And here you come. Straight. Pretty close in Kingston, just past Gordon Town. Morning! So this isn't the falls, we'll be walking to the falls when we're ready. Morning! So there it is, pretty close. So we've just arrived, someone's going to be taking us, walking up to the falls. They've got a changing room over there, and Ari's preparing the food. Thank you. And here's Ramo, who's busy preparing food. So after we've done the climb to the falls, we have some food. So we're pretty close. This is Ramo. Oh look at this. What are you going to make?
Well, I'm going to cook some rice and peas, sip, ital stew, ackee and sawfish, callaloo, breadfruit, fried
oh my
plantain,
god, wait, I'm salivating everyone. Look at this. Right, so we're going to walk the falls. I'm going to go to the first one definitely. And we'll see what happens. And then we're going to come back for lunch. So you've heard that. Okay. Pretty close today, and we're going to be heading off to the waterfall. There's 4 waterfalls here. I believe the first one is about 10 minutes, 15 minutes away, so we're going to start with being a bit, yeah, what can I say? This is what they've planted. as well. 'Cause
Yeah.
okay, so we've been to our first waterfall, which is called Fern Forever Governor, down there, as you can see. And our guide has just gone to get some other people, so we're just sitting here resting. Then we're going to go to Lion Orchard. Now, all being well, I should go to make it. But what can I say? It's probably 11 o'clock in the morning and we're sitting here and it's just cool. And it's just lovely. And this is Jamaica. What can I say? This is Jamaica. Look at the orchard. Look at the skies. Yeah, so just sitting here waiting for the guide. And then we're going to trek another... It probably took us 10 minutes to get here to Fern Fever Governor. And these ladies are ready and rearing. I think they're going to go to number 3. But me, if I can try and get to number 2, I will. But yeah, give us a call, One Stop Cultural Tours, and we'll bring you here to pretty close, and we're gonna go up and explore. This is just beautiful.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I've just arrived at the second fall. Let's have a look at this. The water is so clear, it's so beautiful. Have a look at that. We've done the hike, we've made our way to 2 waterfalls, and the second one, we spent about an hour and a half there and it was beautiful, it was just lovely. We've now come back down, I'm just having my sip, and then we're going to have lunch. So as I said, just give us a call, contact us, and we'll arrange a trip down here to meet Ramo at Pretty Close and his crew. If you can smell the food right now, it is glorious. If I just pan around, you'll see him working away, preparing the food in the distance there, in the red top. Quickly preparing the food. So off that in the tent, and I love my hot bread. So yeah, what can I say? I can't say anything more, it's just really lovely today. Sunday afternoon. Quiet. You can hear the waterfall, apart from that it's just beautiful. So this is why Jamaica won the best Caribbean Culinary Awards, voted. Look at us. Look at our fried fish, outdoor styling. This is why.
What were the options?
Ask him. I just. Oh wow. I just.
Yeah, I have a bit
Oh my god. What is there not to love? This is pretty close, and this is our lunch today. After we've had our waterfall. Yeah. So this is our food after our hike. Rama, look at this. Look at this.
Just like Mama cooking.
Just like Mama cooking, as he said. Alright, so we're going to sit down and we're going to enjoy. The flies are coming.
can't hold it forever.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Ramo? Is he gonna bring a drink?
The food is 10 out of 10.
What have you got? I can smell it, guys. If you can smell this food, it tastes as good as it smells, I guess.
Mine is almost finished in 5 minutes.
And the sip is amazing. 10 out of 10 recommended. Pretty close.
Look at this.
A little later.
Guys, how was it?
Good. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely.
It was lovely.
Enjoyed it.
Afternoon.
Well worth it. It's
Guys,
well worth
look
it.
at the scenery. Look at the views.
If you're a
Just
nature
walking.
person, that is.
If you're a nature person,
But even if you were
we've
just
been to the
gonna go and
waterfalls, we've
have lunch
eaten.
there.
People have come here and had
They've
breakfast.
got something like
People
that.
have
I don't
come
know if you've
here
been.
just to have a meal. Some people have just
Every
come
month
to
they do it.
head to the
Dine in
waterfalls.
the river.
So definitely,
I did a wedding
I don't know
on
what
it.
to
I did a
say.
video on it.
What more can I say?
Yes, it's in rural St. Andrews.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So now we're just walking to our car.
It's nice. On the channel.
And I say, pretty places now,
True nature.
it's near Gordon Town.